tell me moy. Ahut, ahut.
Good morning, Philippines!
Wak, 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 wak. Wak, 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 wak. Asap, nag-usap mo diyo eh. Di mo tabang ko. Inday eh. Uli na mo inday eh. Nga nanguha man mo kwaknit. Tiklo dyan na yung kalit. Buhat daw.
Prutas na kinauna niya.
Prutas imong mata. My sister they're stupid. Andol po ang dudong. Pag ayaw pa makakinday ba, di na lagi ko magpadala diha ninyo, bahala mo diha. Ano, sawa naman pod.
Sawa ba? Sawa?
Gani, ngano nangita man mo bitin diha nga. Mura mo mga buang jud. Sabi da?
Sawa, sawa ka nagkukuha ng timpul sa pipita.
Dahil mura ni gamay dahil. May pa magluto, mag-break ko. Han, I can't wait for you, Han. I eat sticky rice. I told you they're in the forest. All you can hear is that noise from the mountain.
Oh, it's from the phone.
So now she said she's looking for skin. Oh, snake. Uli na mo eh. Murang mga buang
Yeah,
niya.
squirrel. They can catch it the way you do. Just wait till he crosses the street and run over him.
They don't have a squirrel there.
You get no squirrels in the Philippines, really?
No, we don't have a squirrel. We have a squirrel. Nangatis imong bilat. She put me on a speaker and I make noises everywhere. It's snowing upstate. I mean, it's snowing somewhere. Look.
You're supposed to get snow here.
Look, oh.
Yeah. Well, pretty soon you can look out the window and see it. They said,
This is where it's like
they said
an hour,
5 inches.
1 hour and a half from us. This one. Anyway, guys, good morning. So, ito yung morning, guys, nakakalusyang, lusyang. Right? It makes me lusyang, honey. We're like almost,
You wearing lotion?
palagi na lang sa bahay. So, Tommy was sleeping, so I decided to call my sister and eat some. Hala, Mystica. Si Mystica, guys, is pwedeng makulong. Si Mystica, pwedeng makulong dahil sa pagmumura kay Presidente Duterte. Hala, pwede na siyang makulong. Tingnan natin, be.
International law, hindi po absolute ang freedom of expression.
Honey, this is the result, honey. Your wife is crazy, hon. What happened this morning? Why you do in the bed?
You taught her to me out of bed.
What did Roxy did?
She squished me until I couldn't have it any better, and that was okay, but no blanket either, because she rolled up in it.
She
I
rolled
said,
up.
You stay here.
So that's why you moved in the bed?
And then I figured I'd come over. Well, I went to the couch.
Kasi when I woke up this morning 3 o'clock, nagising ako, guys. I looked, where's Tommy? And then I looked to get my phone. Tommy's in our bed, amazing, with Misty. You know, that's the problem planting April, because really the weather is very unpredictable. Snow, get cold, get hot. Yeah, the weather is changing, guys, you know. Usually April is nice already and become almost summer. But every year it changed. The winter moved to a different month. Usually October, November there is some snows. Before there is snow in October, snowstorm. Now you don't even see snowy in January or February, right, hon? And it really moves. Before December, you're happy to see a Christmas, white Christmas. And we don't see that for a long time. I mean, I saw that since I got here. I saw that here before.
Yeah.
But it's like,
But you could have a really serious white Christmas.
now it's not like that. Even though I'm here for 12 years, guys, I see White Christmas, but not like White Christmas like the Tommy used to. It's keep changing. I think the revolve around the sun. The earth revolve around the sun. You're such a good boy. Pakusi ako, Bik. Pakusi ako, kasi oh. Pakusi ako sa agtang, sa dunggan, Bi, sa dunggan. Pakusi. Look at what happened to my husband right here, guys. When I turn my head, look what happened. 4 of my kids. Jesus. Holy moly. This floor is need cleaning because, Tommy, this is what happened. There's no animals around me. When I turn my head, here you go. It's like... So ngayon, I am just going to clear up the floor. Honey, you have to put all your stuff in the office, okay? All the bags in here, whatever you have in the floor, in the dining, and over here, okay? Maglilinis lang ako, guys, and then babalikan ko kayo mamaya. Right here,
I didn't get that yet. I can only do one section at a time. I gotta move
And
the
then you
laptop.
have to wipe it to dry it. Cleaning time, hon. Clean up your mess. Clean up your mess, mister. Si Mr. Kopido, sa kona may tulungan mo. Dansa. Nakakatawa si Tommy kapag gumagalaw-galaw, no? Hindi marunong, hindi siya dancer. Matigas ang katawan. Ang tigas ng katawan ni Mr. Tommy Moy. Tommy Moy, Tommy Moy. Ahut, ahut. Tell me more, tell me more.
No, so tell me more, tell me more.
Oh, akala ko Tommy Moy.
This is the word.
I thought it's Tommy Moy, Tommy Moy. Ahut, ahut. So what is it, hon?
Tell me more, tell me more.
Tell me more.
Greece.
Oh, you know that song too, hon? Huh? Well, you know what, honey? Don't blame me.
That's what she always says.
They're not words. They're being slaughtered.
So, Misty, move away over there. Move, come, call Misty, honey.
Come on, monkey.
Hindi pa kami tapos, guys. Anyway, ito yung nilagay namin dito, guys. Nilagyan namin ng protection ng wood. Si Tami nag-start. Tigas ng ulo. So, ako na lang nagtapos kasi hindi niya talaga ninaano yung sahig. Kasi kailangan pa siyang i-map bago mo lagyan. Saka i-vacuum para walang buhok. So, dito muna yon. Nag-stop ako dito. Pero dito lang muna yung anuhin. Hindi sa muna dito. Next time na yon dito. Kinuha namin yung mga anik-anik sa floor. Ganon. And then yan. Yan. Para walang buhok. Kasi dapat siyang mag-dry. Yo, dito okay naman siya kasi walang traffic. So, dito makita nyo okay pa yung floor. Dito makikita mo yung difference. Ito walang protection na dito. Wala. Kasi nakukuha siya mga ilang years. So, yan. Nanonood siya ng Hercules, guys. What's the movie in this name?
Well, this is Gina Warrior.
Gina Warrior Princess?
Which they spun this show out of Hercules.
Tell me about Hercules.
He's supposedly the story is he's a son of Zeus, who's the highest god. You know, like in the old days, there were many gods.
Okay, guys, nilagyan namin ng double coat. Look. Shit. Kumpara dito, oh. Ito siya, and then yan. Dito muna sa kitchen until dyan. So, yan. Para yung kasi problema kasi itong mga asong to, mataas yung koko. My husband is Coco, guys. Coco the loco. Loco in the coco. Ay, nako. Ay, nako, honey. Oy, this is what quarantine looks like, guys. This is the result. Look at this is the result. This is the result of quarantine.
That safe driver saved 40%.
I don't want lickies on my face, do you? You can lick each other's face.
That's totally it. That's totally the guy.
Safe drivers do save 40%. Click or call for a today.
So, Tommy is like wanna order food for dinner. Why not deliver, hon? And then we wipe when they deliver. We have to wipe around the tent. What?
What are you looking at?
They don't even care, hon. They don't care.
You?
How's your family? Good? Great.
Look at her. Look at her. Mama is very noisy. I know. I know.
You both sit in my spot. I claimed that spot earlier, and now it's mine.
Hi guys, naghalfbat lang ako sandali and then binalik ko to. Halfbat tayo kasi para maganda, fresco yung pakiramdam ng katawan. Anyway, so naliligo si Tami. Nag-order lang kami. You guys wanna go out? Ang lakas ng hangin, grabe. So, ang ganda ng sahig guys kapag talaga inaano yung sahig. Ang ganda lalaga. Kasi sobrang yung shiny, parang putik na putik talaga yung sahig namin. Yun, so hindi lang namin ibalik yung muna. Bukas na namin ibalik yung upuan nandun sa dining. Bukas na namin ibalik dito. At saka dublihin pa namin dito. Kasi dito yung pinaka-traffic talaga yung daanan namin dito. Yun. So, dublihan namin yan bukas. Guys, meron kaming inano ni Tami na pag-usapan namin yung dahil sa problema ngayon yung itong COVID. Nawalan kami ng pera. Nawalan yung di ba may mga investment, mga yung mga basta yung mga ganon, meron kasi yun. Ang laki ng nawala, guys, dahil sa COVID. Pa-down kasi papataas kaunti and then yung down, grabe yung down. So, yung pinsan ni Tami, ang laki yung nawala talaga. Kasi malaki yung investment talaga niya. And then itong katami, malaki din yung nawala kay Tami. Sabi ko, sayang naman yun. Uy, sayang talaga. Ang laki. No joke talaga yung mga pira ngayon guys na nawala dahil sa nangyari ngayon. Market ba yung tawag nila? Iwan ko basta investment nila. Ang tawag nila is yung market. Sabi ko kay Tami, ba't hindi mo kinuha lahat? Sabi pa niya, iba kasi kapag kunin mo lahat and then konti na lang yung matira sa'yo. And then kapag babalik yung market, kung babalik yung mga yung mawala ka din. Sabi ko sa kanya, hindi pa to matapos yung COVID, tapos din yung pera mo doon. Tapos, ang sayang talaga kasi ilang taon din yan ba? Ilang taon ba si Tami nag-start? 30 years old? Matagal na yun talaga. So, yun siya guys. Hintayin ko lang si Tami naligo. Ako sabi ko, wag na tayong maligo. Mag-half-bath na lang tayo. Malapit na kami sa kukunan namin ng pagkain. It's very windy too. So, windy. So, dito na kami guys. Tawagan lang ni Tami. Call to order. And slow down drive ha because the food is in the back.
I can beat him.
No.
I blow his horn, he's like, didn't phase it.
Anyway guys, so yun yung namin, ang tigas ng ulo nito.
Yes, this is the idiot talking to you now. Yeah, my wife says I gotta call you an idiot.
No, the food. Honey, please, don't be like that. I'm not eating the food. I'm gonna defrost some steak and I'm gonna eat steak. It's like Tommy is craving. He has that craving all the time. Sometimes it's like Burger King. Sometimes it's like quesadilla. What is that other place?
Taco Bell.
Taco Bell. He always like every time he hear Taco Bell. Taco Bell. Every time he heard like a Taco Bell advertisement or people talk about Taco Bell, my husband is like, Taco Bell.
I like Taco Bell.
Taco Bell. He's getting the food ready. Hi, my loves. Okay, give it to me before.
I'll wash my hands. I got it. Don't worry about the box. I'll come back for that.
Hindi po namin dinala itong box sa loob. Dalhin mo lang. You have to be really careful. Like, we're trying to be safety here and then. Because you tilt it.
I know.
Because I don't know. Ito yung in-order namin. Pakita ko lang sa inyo guys ha.
That's mine. That's a cheesesteak.
Oh, that's good. Why you don't do it for me?
Because you said you wanted chicken parm.
Ay, ako talaga.
You can have that if you want.
No. So, ito siya guys. What is this?
Shrimp and chicken franchise.
Yeah, and
Don't look like many shrimp in there though.
yeah, it's just 3 of them. What is this? Calamari?
Fried calamari.
Fried calamari and ang sarap ng guys? Calamari.
Serving spoon at a time.
I got serving spoon.
What do you say? Can I get serving spoon? What are you looking in your face for?
So let's eat guys. Kain tayo. Dinner namin. Sorry.
It's fine. I don't need it to be right on me. See it.
Oh yeah. Yan. Yan. This is Italian food, right? Not right?
Nope.
Ang sarap guys, oy. It's good, right?
Yeah.
The trio franchise is not trio. I don't know why it's trio. It's only 2. Somebody's grabbing me. Tapos na kaming kumain. Yan, yung buhok ko is everywhere. Masarap yung kinain namin. Ang gandang mag-cut ng grass kasi may araw. Hindi ko alam bukas kung mayroon bang araw or something. Enjoy lang kami ni Tami. Andito sila sa labas. Well, it's chilly, sunny, right?
This dope goes out in the yard. Then she comes back. She goes digging through the bag for the other bone, grabs the other bone, puts it on top of that bone, so she can have both of them. And she decides which one she wants to take, and then she pulls it over here. Like it.
Sige, let's end the vlog.
What? Oh, it's in the vlog. Bye, guys. Guess my wife's ending early today.
Yeah, we're
It's
gonna
still
end,
light out.
Yeah, we're gonna end the vlog and we will see you guys tomorrow. We're gonna watch The Rock again. The Rock in the third floor.
Third rock from the sun.
Oh, third rock from the sun. Yun pala. But anyway, so.
The rock on the third floor.
Anyway, guys. Bye. See you
Bye, guys.
tomorrow. Bye-bye. Look, tignan nyo, guys. It's so grainy here.
So,
It's so grainy out. It's so nice and green. Look, right?
yeah.